Welcome to DJH Prestige and Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Mercedes A45 AMG. Lovely specification, full service history. I'll just show you around the car. Obviously it's got front park distance control, got the extra rear lip spoiler on the front. It's absolutely stunning condition, no stone chips. AMG badge there. Alloys immaculate, diamond cut alloys, drill discs, AMG calipers, running on Pirelli P0 tyres all the way around. It's just been MOT'd as well. Turbo AMG badge there, black pack, so everything's black. There it should be chrome, privacy glass. Added AMG spoiler down there. Again, look at that wheel, immaculate P0 tyre. Again, nothing on to report on any of the bumpers. Got the added rear spoiler, black night pack rear diffuser with the quad exhausts. Show you the condition of these wheels. Absolutely stunning car. Boot area is in lovely condition. Got the rear parcel shelf. As you can see, everywhere is absolutely clean as a whistle. Inside you've got the AMG interior with the red stitch piping and the red seat belts in the AMG. Obviously you've got the lovely lightweight seats at the front, electric windows, electric mirrors, AMG kick plates, the different AMG A45 interior embossed with AMG, AMG keys. Got paddle shift on the gearbox. I'll just start it up. Sounds absolutely awesome. Got paddle shift on the gearbox, cruise control. Just trying to get the mileage up. 51,996 miles with a full service history. Also got the gauges on there. This has all been upgraded, we believe, so it's got everything on there. It keeps the mileage on there for you too. So we've got reverse camera with lines, touch screen. It's got the navigation, Google, Bluetooth connectivity, my music, my car. Absolutely stunning. Air conditioning, AMG on there, lovely carbon fibre effect around here. At DJH we offer full dealer facilities, which includes finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.